What's up? I'm back at Surfwala. I spent the whole month of April here, but I did not record anything, but this time I will. And in this specific episode of Why Women Live Longer Than Men, I will try surfing in Monsoon. The water is wild, it's crazy, it's not recommended, but I'll go with one of the best trainers I've met here, and I'm sure they will take care of me. I won't be able to record myself while I'm surfing, but I'll give the camera to my friend and maybe he will record me standing at least once on the board. So I'm really excited about that. So let's see. I think we've lost the sun. So we are attaching this leash to the board and then I'll tie this other end to my leg so that when I fall the board doesn't go very far away from me. I'll attach the other end when my instructors are back on the beach, and that's where we'll try to record everything that we can, and hopefully I can ride a couple of waves. I had to come back because it's really wild and the lifeguard was calling me again and again. I could only stand on two waves, barely. I need a lot more practice, but it's still not. It wasn't recommended to go. But I'm happy that I at least was able to stand. And we are going to take bodyboards now. They are called boogie boards, bodyboards, and we're trying to do that because it's easier. Hello. Since we can't surf, we are going bodyboarding. It's easier. It's not complex, and we're just gonna have fun. Lakshan, I'll teach him how to do it. Hopefully, he will have a good time too.